Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys a absolutely gorgeous 2004 Jeep Wrangler LJ Unlimited. This, of course, is a Carfax certified guarantee vehicle with a flawless history, clean and clear title in our possession, in-house, ready to sign over as soon as you purchase it. 83,000 original and documented miles. When we got this Jeep in, it came in completely stock, all original and beautiful condition. And we put a ton of time, effort, work, money, parts into this Jeep. We weren't trying to make it anything crazy like this guy right here that we're building. We're looking for a clean, classy Jeep that's been fully serviced with very tasteful upgrades. So as we walk around, you'll notice it has a full Old Man Emu 2-inch suspension system that we did here in-house. I'm going to go over as much information as I can on this video, but on our website, davisautosports.com, you'll get the full build sheet and spec sheet there. We service this thing top to bottom. There's absolutely nothing that this Jeep needs now or in the near future. As you see, condition-wise, this Jeep looks like it has 5,000 miles, all original paint, absolutely pristine. I'm the owner of Davis AutoSports. This is one of the cleanest and nicest Wranglers we've ever sold, considering the miles. We just sold a 15,000 mile LJ about 3 weeks ago, and this Jeep is just as nice. Starting up front, brand new Quadratec LED headlights, LED KC bumper mount lights. Notice the front bumper, that's been removed, refinished in all black paint. The body itself's been fully paint corrected, compound, high-speed polish, buff. The paint correction itself is about a 4-day process, and the end result, I mean, we're looking at this paint under very bright lights, and as you see, it is absolutely perfect. Another upgrade is we did extended Fender Flares all the way around. That isn't armor all, that isn't paint, that's the new coating on the rough country Fender Flares. Gives it a nice look. As mentioned earlier, a full Old Man Emu suspension lift all the way around. Brand new 265 75 16 BFG KO2 all-terrains with method wheels. They are simulated B-locks, however, this is all hardware, no plastic, so very, very sharp looking wheel. The body and paint on this Jeep is as perfect as you're going to find. In the last month alone, we sold a 15,000 mile LJ, a 49,000 mile LJ, a 23,000 mile TJ, and this is nicer than all those just about. Mirror housing, great condition. Door handle, perfect. Take a look down the body panels. You're also looking at a brand new, right out the box, best top. This is their upgraded top. They offer 3 different tops. This is their nicest one. Part of the upgraded audio system that we did, there's a brand new rear mounted camera. Also, that's a brand new hitch with a 4-pin just installed. Full size spare, obviously. We'll get into some of the servicing here in a moment. Once again, the extended flares give it a nice look. And once again, this is all original paintwork. None of these panels have been painted at all. So quick recap on the exterior: brand new wheels and tires, brand new top, full paint correction, all new fender flares, new headlights, bumpers front and rear have been refinished, new KC LED lights, and suspension wise all old man emu all the way around. In addition to the actual suspension system, we have brand new sway bar, upgraded end links, new bushings, those are serviceable, new drag link bar, and all the hardware. When we replace suspension parts and we put new ones on, we replace the hardware with grade 10 hardware. So while we're underneath the Jeep, we have pictures on the listing. It is absolutely rust free. The complete drive line has been fully serviced. The front differential, transfer case, transmission, and rear differential have been fully serviced, drained. Transmission got a filter. Other components got flushed out, inspected, cleaned up, and all new synthetic fluid throughout. You can also see the seal on that oil pan. The oil pan itself is brand new. The oil pan gasket is new. We also did the rear main seal and the valve cover, which is a major service on these. Also, while we're down here, well, you know what? We're going to put this thing up on a lift and give you guys. All right, guys, here we are underneath the LJ. As you'll see, it's insanely clean. Everything I'm going to point out is all brand new, installed by us here at Davis AutoSports. Starting off, old man emu lift, front shocks, front coils, rear coils, steering stabilizer, new drag link bar, upgraded sway bar end links with bushings that are fully serviceable. Front differential, rear differential, transmission, and transfer case are all fully serviced with synthetic fluid. We also have a brand new oil pan gasket, rear main seal, and valve cover gasket. We also have brand spanking new upper catalytic converters into the wide pipe. That's a MagnaFlow system. We were getting a code for cats, so we went ahead and did those cats, new O2 sensors in the back cat. So every catalytic converter is brand new, upgraded, better flow, all emissions spec no matter where you are, with brand new O2 sensors as well. Check out the floor pan on this thing. It is absolutely spotless. A little bit of dirt from much driving, but even up in the tunnel, I mean, completely rust free. All the lines are in great condition throughout. Just very, very clean. There's the other new cat as well, all welded in, heat shield still in place. Floor pans are absolutely perfect. Bump stops were also done as well. Once again, floor pan, it's perfect. No leaks from the rear main seal. Oil pan, I think we actually replaced the pan itself. It looks like pans don't look that good. So another new O2 sensor. So once again, all O2 sensors new, all cats new, everything brand new and gorgeous on this thing. Check out those wheel wells. Let's get to the inside, because it is just as beautiful, and some nice upgrades on the inside. One thing to note, these TJs and LJs are notorious for these door panels cracking. No cracking here because this thing lived in the garage. Upgrades on the interior, in addition to the condition being a 10 out of 10. Upgrades WeatherTech floor liners, a full Sony multimedia sound system. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Get the AC going too, because we're going to drive it for you guys. So brand new flush mount 7-inch Sony system in here. It does have a backup camera. It is Bluetooth, but we also have a nice USB clean mounted port in here as well. It's brand new, so it's hard to open. There you go. Take a note of the heated seats, high setting and low setting. passenger and driver side. The heated elements are both in the lower portion and in the back portion. Check out the top, brand new. Visors in great condition. I'm going to throw this seat back real quick. We also have a upgraded sub in there, just to give it some extra sound, low tones. Back seat is literally perfect. Mats back here look brand new, cup holders new. I mean, just literally 10 out of 10. Oh, another thing to note as well, the bracket system on this is also brand new. So not just the actual soft top itself, but the whole bracket system that holds this particular top in place. The way it's designed, you got a lot more headspace up here and everything else. So that's a brand new system. AC is blowing nice and cold today. It's blazing hot here in Richmond, Virginia. These grills get real brittle right there and start cracking up and breaking apart. No issue whatsoever. 83,000 miles. You'll see more of that cluster on our test drive. An absolutely spotless rear cargo area. Clean as can be. There's a good look at your camera right there. I mean, this thing is a 10 out of 10. Once again, no cracking right there. I'm gonna grab my water and we're gonna take this thing for a drive. If you're looking at LJs, here's one while we're over here that we're building. This is a full build right here. We obviously custom color change this. Engine's out right now. It's getting one of our upgraded engines. All new driveline throughout, Fox Reservoir shocks. Everything driveline wise is completely upgraded. Upgraded 456 gears, lockers. So if you want something a little bit more than this guy right here, that one is on our website for sale as well. Ooh, it feels good in here. It is a hot one today. Let's get this steady cam where it should be. Let's turn this off. So, well, you know, the radio was playing earlier, so we're already going to be getting some warnings on YouTube. Also, with that said, if you're viewing this on YouTube, we only use YouTube to host our video. This video by itself is not our full advertisement. It's a portion of it. So if you're interested in this and you're viewing it on YouTube, make sure to go to our website, davisautosports.com. We'll have a link in the description and we'll pin a comment up top for you to check out the entire listing. This video will be thorough, you know, between the exterior, the interior, the undercarriage, but there is some additional information, pricing, VIN number, all that sort of stuff, and obviously a full build and spec sheet. I'm sure there's other things that we did to this Jeep that I just completely forgot about. AC is blowing ice cold. Oh, another thing to note, Bluetooth microphone right there as well, part of the Bluetooth system. And that is a Sony system as well. Got a bar up top for the top, makes a huge difference. And that is brand new as well. The Old Man Emu system on this is it's a phenomenal system overall. Drives great, makes a great daily driver. The shocks, in my opinion, one of the best riding shocks on the market. Probably in the mid 90s today. AC's blasting. Temperature isn't budging 210. Top of the steering wheel is absolutely perfect. No oils or worn out vinyl. Tell you the nice thing about the new hardware on the top and the cross brace is these TJs and LJs at 60, usually the tops are just insanely loud, sort of a nuisance, and this one is as quiet as you're ever going to get. Also, yeah, we did service the brakes as well. We also serviced the cooling system. We just flushed everything out, all new coolant. Brake wise, I have to double check. I believe we did pads and maybe rotors, but we'll pull that in the listing as well. Nice smooth acceleration. As mentioned throughout this video, I'm sure, and I say that because there's other parts of the video that I haven't done yet, but I'm sure we'll mention it. But all new catalytic converters, not just the downstream one, it's all of them. So the two coming off of the header, as well as O2 sensors and the third cat before the muffler. So the entire system is brand new, all MagnaFlow, not universal stuff, factory fit. And so that's something that you're never going to have to worry about, or at least not for a very, very long time. All right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 855-XJ-JEEPS. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.